How many shots is an NBA player taking on game day? Are they taking their first shot when they walk onto the game day court? Clock is running?
No, they're professionals. They take at least 300 shots before they even get out onto that court during the game. Why do people think lead generation is any different?
You are not practicing on the client at a live listing appointment or buyer consultation. You're getting those 300 reps in prior to. So that means lead generation is happening with resources. Speaking of that,
here's what you're going to do.
You're going to use Exactly What to Say by Phil M. Jones, Chris Smith, and Jimmy Mackin for real estate agents. There's 119
30 phrases, 119 words.
That's right. You're going to memorize them. You're going to use them. You're going to practice with people in your office, right? You're going to grab who?
Yeah, so you need to get scripting and role playing. Grab another agent within your office, and no excuses out there. I don't have another agent to work with or anything like that. Grab your cousin, grab your friend, your brother, your milkman if they even exist still. So grab whoever you can, have the conversation, but I want you to deep dive into the scenarios, the objections that you're going to face, and really put the words to practice. Get uncomfortable, because that's ultimately where growth is going to lie.
That's right. And famous author Phil says, change your words, change your world. Out of curiosity, do you think an NBA player starts Prakasha?
Prakasha.
Ding it before a game starts. Out of curiosity, how many shots do you think an NBA player is taking before they step on the court for game day? 1, 2. Do you think they're taking their first shot before they?
No.
For sure?
I didn't know you were going to cover. I was waiting for her to keep going with it.
300 practice shots before they even step foot on the game court. So, that's not what we were supposed to do. The next piece was no.
Yeah.
Oh, I was supposed to actually push you into
so
their
I'm
first
doing
shot of
the
the day.
300.
You're going to practice the words you use so the results you have are exactly what you're looking for.
So here's what you're going to do.
Let's try that again.